Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers with Right Line Trading. Before we get started, this broadcast is for educational demonstration purposes only. We are not offering any type of trading advice here today, just for demonstration purposes. There is a significant amount of risk when trading the financial markets. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right, good morning, everybody. Excuse me. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. It is Tuesday, July 22nd. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. Any day above ground is a blessed day. Let's win it. At 8:30, which already passed, Powell may have said something. Powell, integrated review of the capital framework for large banks. Okay, he's at a large banks conference. Jerome Powell is. Man, how great would interest rate cuts be? At 10 a.m., Richmond Manufacturing Index. That's an orange folder. That's a medium impact. We have to respect that at 10 a.m. So that will affect this trading session. So that's how the Forex Factory looks. Good morning, Rao. Good morning, Mukhtar. Good morning, Judy. Rian, good morning. All right. If today's your first day joining us, my name's Rory Powers. I'm with Right Line Trading. We're going to be showcasing our automated bots today. These are fully automated strategies. Once they're enabled, they will execute and manage the trades for you. We could trade them in full automation. They're also semi-automated. What's really nice is once the trade is triggered, we could see the stop and the profit target projected on the chart. So big if is like the longest word in the dictionary. If you choose, you always have the discretion of moving your stop and profit targets. If you want to let it manage itself, it is fully capable of doing so. We let the bots run right through the London Open. Well, first the Asian Open, London Open. Now we're getting ready for the New York Stock Exchange to open. And we have on our leaderboard the bots that are performing the best in the current trading environment. Our one-day pass on crude oil, it scored today. Let's take a look at the trade. Look at gold again. Wow. I've got to fire up the gold bot yesterday and today. Really nice movement on gold. Really nice volume. Usually don't see that type of volume on gold. They're pushing the price of gold higher. On crude oil, the one-day pass today took a long entry, a beautiful long entry, nice and tight to the 50, and caught it. A full winner. 10 contracts went 32 ticks. After commissions and slippage, it wound up with $3,030. No, that's before commissions. We're going to have to add an extra tick or two to that profit target. Let me see what's hiding behind here. Ooh, let me minimize this. Okay, yesterday, good morning, Ray Ray. Good to see you, sir. Well, yesterday, as promised, what we did was we got that new trade copier from ETP. ETP is going to allow us to trade our prop firm accounts, right line funding, We could trade our Profit King Challenge, or we could trade our regular prop accounts. And the trades off of Ninja can be copied right in to our Right Line Funding accounts. This is my group of accounts with Apex and Right Line Funding. And I could check off the Right Line Funding accounts. My leader account is the Power Play Drone. And I can also, this is enabled, I can also check off my Apex accounts. So I am going to go into this slowly. When we add anything new to the workspace, we always run a chance of being completely inexperienced and green and making silly mistakes. So to prevent it from having too much of an impact, I'm just going to trade one of the Right Line Funding accounts on this new copier until I get used to it. But we're going to see how that works. I do want to take one trade, being totally comfortable first, and that's using the other copier. So first we'll go with this copier. We'll try to take one trade. And let's get the lagometer in view. And then we'll pivot and we'll have some fun with that new trade copier. The nice thing about that trade copier is it's completely platform independent. So if you have a bunch of different if you have a bunch of different prop firms that you use and you want to connect them all the connections, you can establish a different connection for each one of your different prop firms. You can have unlimited number. Well, you have to pay for the connections, but you could simultaneously have several rhythmic connections like I do now. Both of those connections I have with Apex and Right Line Funding are both rhythmic connections. And whether or not they trade on Ninja, the prop firm I'm referring to, whether or not they support the Ninja platform, with that connection, it acts as a bridge between NinjaTrader and your account with any prop firm you want. Really neat technology. Okay, it is 9:27. Let's all remember 10 o'clock if I forget. 10 o'clock, we have that Richmond manufacturing report coming out, and we're going to respect that report. I think I paid $200 for it, Rion. I believe Charles, before we get into pricing, though, I believe Charles has a meeting with them, and he's trying to get an affiliate deal where it's very, very reasonable, like a monthly. I got a lifetime license on it for about $200, but I think Charles is working a deal where it's going to be like $20 or $25 a month, if you prefer a monthly. But I think he meets with them either today or tomorrow. But it is available on a lifetime license for $200, for $197 that I'm aware of. You're welcome. The Haymaker is up 900. That's the signal A entry. Let's take a quick look at the market condition. Here's the session open from last night at 6 p.m. We took a leg down through the Asian session. At the London Open, also a small leg down and then a retracement. Started heading back to where we closed up yesterday. So where the session closed yesterday and where it's going to open today are almost in the same exact place. It's slowly retracing right back to 23,370. Take a quick look at the E-mini. July 22nd. Since midnight, it's flat, completely flat. All right, good luck, everybody. It's 9:30. Our leader account is the Power Play drone. If today's your first day joining us, and my trade copier, I've got copied about 9 different Apex accounts on my trade copier. We normally wait until the market settles down, a couple of minutes after the market open. We're looking for an alignment of trend on our 2 NASDAQ charts, a 20 Unorenko and a 30 range. Nine 931. Okay, this the Power Play gave us a look here. Let's see how this makes out. Our 20U just broke below that 50. We're not 3/4 of the bar through. Let's see if it bounces or continues down. Nice. Got some follow through. I'm going to go ahead and enable right here. We got some room to this downside support. Let's see if we ride it straight down. I'd love to see it pull back to the 50. Watch the continuation short. Bam, we're right in. That fast. Come on, push on down. Let me get this above resistance. Push on down. Push on down. Come on, push down. Man, that happened so fast. Oh, don't come back on me. Don't come back on me. Might be a little too far oversold. Oh, man. Come on. Roll. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Hmm. Come on, push down. Hmm. Coming right back to the 50. Roll. Come on, push down. Let's go. Man, I don't like price action anymore on this trade. Jeez, this is a rough one. Oh, man. A little too late to the party on that. It actually took a trade. It actually caught that first winner on my other copier on the right line funding account. Hmm. All right, we got a one loser in. Let's see if we can get it back. Take one more shot at it. We got that Richmond manufacturing at 10 a.m. Good morning, Clinton. Tom. Just couldn't get a break of this area of support here. Yesterday we got that beautiful, beautiful trade. Pop to the upside. Let's see if it bounces back. We're in on the right line funding account on this other copier. So it is working. Now I moved my profit target right above support. I want to give price a clear shot. Good morning, Suzanne. And what will happen is my profit window kicks in earlier, takes risk off the trade that much quicker. When it's 25 ticks from my profit target, the stop comes down and goes 25 ticks behind price. We're getting a little chop here. Now we shut down this copier. We're going to kind of sit on our hands until we get some price action. That looks juicy. Our 20U is just breaking, just reaching the 50. We have a little room to the upside here. We could anticipate the break. Let's move this up just a little bit. I want this price to break through this 50. Gotcha, Ralph. Yeah, we not really setting up for a long, is it? We got that report coming out at 10 a.m. My right line funding account is still in that trade, still in this trade. Hmm. Okay, it's in the window. Bam, full winner. Let's break this area. We need to break right through these two areas of support. Power plays, wow, man, look at that. On the other copier, that one account on right line funding got that full winner. It's up 500 for the day without trying to time anything, just completely hands free. Let's get this break right here. Come on down. Come on down. We're going to anticipate the break of support here. Come on down. Break through. Getting some selling pressure here. Come on. Retesting. Let's get a break. All right, get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Let's get in this signal B short. We got a nice spike in volume. Come on, take off. Take off. Just under 3,000 contracts a minute. Ah, come on. Push down. Come on with a signal C. Come on down. Sniper just jumped in short. Power play's nowhere to be found. Bam, it's in. All right, here we go. Let's get some follow through the downside. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on, one time with the power play. Take some of this risk off. Come on down. Get my window. Come on down. Get my window. There we go. All the way. All the way. All the way. Oop. Push down. All right, we got back in the positive with a 250. Got a nice spike of volume. Wow, my right line funding account's up $840. Power play. That was a beautiful entry short on a signal B. Let's get a signal C right through this area. Come on, one more leg down. We got really nice volume here. Really nice volume. Break it. Let's go. Looking for one more leg down. 10 o'clock, we got that report. Let's try to squeeze one in before 10. We got that triangle came in. That means that my LIQUIDITY is pinned for a signal B entry. Just need a break of this pivot. Break of support. This closes to the downside. We're in. Bam. Go. Ah, get in there. All right. Now we're in. Come on. Give me some follow through the downside. Push down. Ah, look out. Come on down. Come on down. Push down. Push down. Come on down, baby. Ah, damn. Don't run out of gas on me now. Come on down. Come on down. Get my PAs out of there. Come on down. Push down a little further. Get my window. Push down. Come on, get my window. Okay, it's in my window. I guarantee to make 250. We're going to try to get a runner here. Push on down. Keep on going. Come on. Breakdown. There you go. Nice. Come on down. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Sweet. Got a loose one. All right. Bam. It's right back in. I'm gone on it. My other copier's going to town. I'm up 1680 on my right line funding account. 1680 on this new copier. On this one, we're up $6,800 on the Apex accounts. Getting a big sell-off here. Bam. Power plays up 2,500. Oh, I feel like such a dummy with these PA accounts. I should have let them go, right? These bots went to town on this power play. You could see my leaderboard again today, just like yesterday. Does this mean all of the bots are winning? No. If I go down to the bottom, I do have a few losers. I do have a few losers, but I'm concentrating on the ones that are winning, and those are the ones that I'm copying. Across my Apex accounts today, made over $6,800 trading this power play. Just a huge move down. I'm up 1680. Now I'm back in on this copier. That right line funding account is up $2,000. Well, I tell you what, this has been a record day for me on YouTube. We pulled in that one loser in the beginning, and then things just took off. The market just melted away, and we caught some short moves. And just like that, $6,800 in profits. Got my PAs in positive territory. We're on the sideline now, but this is another beautiful entry. We're a little bit over, we're a little bit oversold to say the least. Let's see if we take another leg down. Hey, Antonio. Good morning, my friend. Would you be trading the gold drone? Well, I think we had really great looking at gold looking at gold like I did this morning. It looked really juicy, Antonio. Um, but we kind of stuck to our game plan with the power play, and it wasn't a bad move. Those that short move to the on the Nasdaq gave us everything we needed. But let's take a look at gold. I need to re-engage my gold bot. Wait. Once the market opened, it kind of went flat on us, to be honest with you. But pre-market, my goodness, starting at 7:30 this morning, right up until the opening bell, gold was for that 2 hour window. You had great opportunities, Antonio. Hindsight's always 2020, but gold for some reason does really well. Here comes that Richmond manufacturing report. Be really careful now. We got 3 minutes. One of our longtime members, Ed. Ed, if you're out there, welcome aboard. He bought the money flow tracker years ago, and the Revo system just came aboard with the AI. And welcome back. He resides right down here in South Florida. Look at this thing. This thing's going to fall right into my profit window. So the power play, man almighty. Bam. In the profit window again. 250 or 500. Come on down. Come on down. Bam. Another 500. For the love of God, this thing is just killing it today. Let's put the affordable indicators aside. Let's go to this beast, and that's what this is. This is a beast. It's a big copier. Let's put it on. We're going to put it on our right line funding accounts, and it's in. I'm going to move my profit goal right above the pivot. Oh, this thing is still in an order. Hold on here. There he is. Hey, Ed. Man, what a morning. My goodness. Today was better than yesterday. What a move down. My goodness gracious. The iBots are, I mean, loving this. Every iBot on the NASDAQ above 1,000. All the Apex evals, my goodness. I'm just a stone's throw away from really doubling down on those PA accounts, tripling down. And we look to make about $250 to $500 on those PA accounts. With the evals, we can be a little more liberal. We could be a little more aggressive. Let me see my performance here. Let's get an up to the minute. This thing might take another leg down. Let's enable these two accounts. If this breaks through this support, we could take another monster move to the downside. Just a few $100s below 37,000. Let's get this break of support. Here's where the P&L is. We're at 36,800. 36,800 across three PA accounts from January to July. A 6-month P&L of 36,000 across three PA accounts. And that equity curve continues to slope up. Here we go. Here comes the retracement. Here comes the retracement. My goodness, what a move down. Let me go look on the Forex Factory. Manufacturing activity deteriorated in July. Yeah, I'll say, Tom. Still set up for a short on our 20U. That is a big move down, let me tell you. Um, these are not small bars. Every bar to the downside represents 5 points or 20 ticks. So that was a tremendous move down. Our power play was up $2,234. This could be lining up for a retracement. If this 20 Unorenko bar breaks through, you're going to see this power play start firing off long trades on this retracement. I might have to restart it. I think my daily profit goal is 2,500. So I think what I need to do is reset it. Let's see if we get a break of this area of resistance. We get a break, we're going to take off to the upside. Here we go. Let's get the break. We get this break, we're going to take off long. Antonio. We're going to be giving away 2 accounts today. 2 accounts, 2 $1 accounts. We're going to do a drawing here in just a minute. Let's see if we get this break. Here we go. It's retesting it. Our 20U is just poking its head above the 50. And here we go. Now my Laguerre needs to be pinned now. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to reset the power play because I'm only $100 away from the profit goal. Here we go. Come on. Pop us into the upside. We're going to copy this across the right line funding accounts. Whoops. Sorry about that. I was trying to move it down. Okay, bam, we're in. So now it's copied across these two accounts for right line funding. Shows my P&L down $80 on this trade. 100. Got stopped out. Let me bring up my anybody running the power play today? Any winners on the power play? All right, Ray. NQ Scalper won 5 Apex accounts for Rao. Yeah, I wanted to do the drawing. Let's do the drawing. I need my other browser. Really sorry about this. It might flash in front of you. Sorry about that. Okay, we're going to be giving away 2 accounts. We're going to take a look at our leaderboard. We're about to get in again long. Break of resistance will be in this long move. Michael C. Manny. Michael C. and Manny. We're going to be sending you a email with a coupon code that'll provide you with a $1 account. Let's take a quick look at the leaderboard. Remember, payday is this Friday. What I'm referring to, in case you didn't know, is we call it our Profit King Challenge. We have a sister company, which is our funding arm. It's a prop firm called Right Line Funding. The URL is the website address is rightlinefunding.com. And towards the bottom, you'll see the Profit King Challenge. It's only $49 to participate, to get into the competition. With $49, there's 10 cash prizes, first through 10. First place through 10th place. First place, you get $1,000. $1,000. $1,000. Second place, 500. Third place, 300. Fourth place, 100. Fifth place, we're going to buy you a really nice lunch. Fifth to 10th, $50 each. The rules are very simple. You're in essence, you're trading really a $2,000 trailing threshold, a trailing drawdown account. In order to qualify for one of the prizes, you got to make $3,000 in profit. The consistency rule is a very lenient 50%, meaning if you have $5,000 in profits, your largest winning day cannot comprise more than 2,500 or 50% of it. Your single largest winning day cannot be more than 50% of your net profits. Okay, so if you're up $5,000 on your account, your best day can't be 2,500. So let's take a look at the leaderboard. We happen to be in on the power play trade again. This looks a lot like the last trade. It ran out of gas and stopped us out. That's why capital preservation is very important. Once I hit my profit goal, once you hit your profit goal, it's always a wise idea to stop trading. Take your money and run. Head straight for the hills. All right, while this is playing out, let's take a look at the leaderboard. I just went on the top of the leaderboard. I just went number one, but I don't count, so don't let me deter you. This was just trading one day on the power play today. But now this can't be more than 50% of my profits. So I would need to get up over $4,700 to conform to the 50% consistency rule. T West, I see you. I see you, Toby. And Brock doesn't count. So there's only one person. Listen, this money's up for grabs. Jump in today because you need 3 trading days. So you'll have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at least. Actually, you'll have 4, including today. Okay, Ray, have a great day. Thanks for joining us. Well, it's a great day trading. That's the type of moves we need. When the market moves like that, we're going to do really well. We'll take a recap of our leaderboard. We're going to wrap up a little bit early today. The market did exactly what we needed it to do. Our crude oil 1-day pass scored. The IBOT NQ30 16U, 2 top performing bots. On the AI side, Power Play, Haymaker, number 1 and 2. Let me tell you, that Haymaker was telling us all morning. And the Power Play 2 was up on my leaderboard this morning. But that Haymaker, man, it was up 800 before the market even opened. And it went on to double that. I'll answer that in just a second, Rao. The Apex, man, did we score on these Apex accounts? Holy moly. On this trade copier, we had 6 Apex accounts up over $1,000. 6,000. And then on the PA accounts, we hit our profit goal, a couple $100, 200 to 175 across all three. The PA accounts, we made 565. Nothing wrong with that. About 500 yesterday. We're up over 1,000 on the PA accounts this week. And the evals, man almighty, over $6,000 in profits on the evals. If I add in that one right line funding account, that's up over 2385. We're up just under $9,000 in profits today. Incredible. Then we got the IBOT 1 minute, IBOT 24U. Oh, okay. Here's RJ. 150 range RJ. Looking good. Let's take a look at that trade. Here it is. You can see we give this trade a lot of room. Okay, the IBOT 30 range to NASDAQ. Haymaker, we know. Velocity, 2-minute retirement plan, and there's the PA accounts. Did they all win? No. On the bottom, there are some losing bots. So we don't have the Holy Grail just yet. We do have it on order. Just kidding. Okay, Rao. What is your family's reaction? Rao, but my family, my wife, has no clue about trading. Doesn't know anything about it whatsoever. And of course, my daughters would fall into the clueless category as well. So they're oblivious. But now my trading family, which you're all part of, we're on this journey together. All right, I'm going to put remember, David Wise, if you would, please, let's see how the, what I didn't see is I didn't see the MBT. Let's take a look and see what the micro Bitcoin did today. Where is it? Here it is. The micro Bitcoin was up down 276. Look at the volume, though. Oh, that's the E-mini. Excuse me. This is the micro Bitcoin. The micro Bitcoin is negative today. It's really just in the beginning stages. I'm going to add a few different triggers onto it. Signal A, you could see this would have been a monster winner on the signal A. Look at this signal A. Another monster. Wow. So we're going to add a signal A entry onto this. Look at this signal A, another one. That's 3 in a row. We're only taking signal C's on this particular bot. This is micro Bitcoin that we're looking at. It takes some beautiful trades, but I think adding the signal A is going to make a tremendous difference. I would have pulled in a loser right here. And another one here. But a couple of really nice winners. With a green 50. With a green 50. Bam. So this does look promising. Today at 4:30, I want to invite you to a presentation on our iBots. Our iBots, remember that those are the bots that require the kinetic data feed. David Kushner was having some tech issues this morning. He called me at the crack of dawn. He had bought a brand new computer from Best Buy, and it just completely petered out. Had a blue screen. Couldn't get rid of the blue screen. I had a computer do the same thing with the blue screen. It's a sad story. Anyway, the iBot presentation leverages a professional grade data feed, the kinetic data feed. It looks at the cash market, the stock market, and it's looking at the actual market internals, the market internals via the kinetic data feed, which is looking at imbalances of advancing versus declining volume and advancing declining ratios across the index equities. So it actually has a finger on the pulse of the market. The market internals, really holds tremendous predictive value. I call it the fastest trigger in automation. It's not like a MACD crossover or a divergence, oscillator divergence signal. These are entry signals, entry triggers that sometimes occur before the move you could even see it on your chart. That's how fast it is, very fast. So today at 4:30, I want to invite you to join me. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not on the iBots. Ay, ay, ay. You got to forgive me. My brain is. It's actually going to be on this system, the AI Auto Trader. On Friday, we're doing a presentation with Lee from 10-Minute Trades, and we're going to showcase the iBots. Wow, look at gold. Gold took off. Since you asked me, man, look at that. Antonio, you asked me about gold. When I looked, it was retracing, but since then, it fired off and took off again. I'm not running the gold bot to know what it looks like on my leaderboard, so I couldn't answer the question with any accuracy. But looking at the price action, gold looks tremendous to trade today. Tremendous. Let me put the link in the room. If you want to learn more about these automated bots, today at 4:30, I'm going to put a link in the room now. Please, how can you subscribe to ETP? It's called Expert Trading Programmers. And ETP is no joke. I mean, this thing is a beast. Look at this thing, Rao. You can establish your connections. You do pay. I could pay I think it's $100 and get 3 more connections. And you could have a number of different leader accounts and copy them across a few of your prop accounts or all of them. You could select which ones you want to add. These are all my prop accounts here, and I can add them by simply clicking on it. I still have it enabled, I see. Um, Now, coming up right behind me is David Wise with the SPY Super System. Oh, we're looking at the RJ 150 range. Here we go. We're getting a pop to the upside. Last trade, and we're going to close for the day. If you would, please don't forget, like my video here on YouTube if you would, please. It gives us some traction. God willing, we're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place, same channel. And we're going to try to continue this winning streak. Monday, Tuesday, check, check. Microphone check. 2 winning days in a row. We're going to be giving away 3 $1 Profit King Challenge accounts. Get in the game. We got $2,000 available for the taking. You get your ETP trade copier and you run your bots. You could you could take home that $1,000 every contest, or whoever does it. I ran it today, this ETP copier, on my Right Line Funding account. It's up $2,300, $2,385. It was red hot this morning. Last trade, last trade. Congratulations again, Raymond. Wow. Tom. Rao is up 950, won 5 Apex accounts. How can I subscribe? I'm going to send you more information in Discord, Rao. My goodness gracious, gold is headed for the moon. Look at this chart. I've got to get that gold bot running. Gold is just firing. Take a quick look at the stock market. Oof. Ouch. My AI stocks are down, down, down. NASDAQ is down 0.5%. Russell is up 1/4. S&P 500 down slightly. And the Dow is up slightly. The Dow is at 44,373. 44,000. Wow. curious to see how this trade is managed. Right now we're up $800 on the trade, and my stop is there. It goes, bam. Now it's 500 or 1,000. More than that, actually. Maybe 1,250. Hey, Marcy. How nice to see you. What a pleasant surprise. Good morning. I know that you're visiting family. What a pleasant, pleasant surprise. I hope you have having a blessed time with the family. We had a big day. God bless you. We had a big day today. My goodness. All right. Congratulations. How'd you do, Marcy? Very happy to hear that. Sounds like you got that short trade. Congratulations. Oh my goodness. Fantastic. 1225 with 7 PA accounts. Beautiful. Incredible. Great job. Great job. All right, this trade looks like it's losing steam. It just kind of bounced right off of my stop without hitting it. But man, it's a whisker away. Bam, it hit. All right, that's it, everybody. Congratulations, Marcy. Thank you for joining us. Don't be a stranger. Please come back. If you're able to join us again, that would be wonderful. Have a blessed rest of your day, everybody. We're going to do it again tomorrow, God willing. And I'm really starting to dig these market conditions. This week has been phenomenal. It has been excellent. The best I've seen it since June 1st. We've had 2 straight days of really great trading opportunities. And God willing, it'll be the same tomorrow. So come back and join us. Have a great rest of your day. Remember, today at 4:30, we're going to go live on the AI Auto Trader. Hope to see you there. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. So long. Hey, Rian, have a great day. You're welcome. Thanks for joining us. So long, everybody.